5daytrading.com, doing a video on the falling wedge pattern. It's a pattern that sometimes can get confused for a bearish pattern. Many, when they see these type of patterns, they may think it's a consolidation to move lower. You have to be really careful with that thought process during these moves, especially below some fib levels. This was a major level. Email was sent out to members yesterday evening explaining that I was taking a long on this pair. At the time, it didn't even look as good as it looks now for a move higher, so I was anticipating a basing out pattern at these low levels, and if not, it was very simple. I was just going to get out. That's what the stop was for. We did not get stopped out on this trade. I did have a pretty tight stop. So bottom line is, falling wedge pattern did take place here. You can see you can kind of draw a wedge here, draw it from the lower. Some people will draw it from the spikes, the bodies. Some will draw it from the body. Let's say you drew it from the bodies here. Instead of the wicks, you would end up something more that would be a lot thinner. And the reason I draw it from the spikes, here's drawing it from the bodies. The reason I draw it from the spikes is because, there you go, this pair does have a pretty significant spread. So therefore, you know, I draw from the wicks. Regardless, doesn't matter, it's still a falling wedge pattern. This is a bearish pattern, and if I am in the opposite direction, let's say I am looking for a move lower and I start to see this pattern, well, you know what? I'm going to get out, because I'm not going to be staying in a short when there's a falling wedge pattern that is being produced from the chart. So at any rate, just wanted to touch base on this pattern. At the moment, I am along this pair. I'm going to go ahead and post my thoughts of where we could take profits, and you'll see that right under the video in the members section. You take care, everyone.